is different, physiology is of different nature. It is not nearly as strong as the one when the climbing fiber gives it input. It really puts that cell into shock. And maybe it's enough of a difference that in that particular shock state, it is high enough for the synapses to potentiate. Whereas if it fires on basis of simply the parallel fiber input, it is much milder, and apparently it would mean that the synapses don't change. Actually, this maps even to these memristors in a different way, that then you can get the information out, but you are not affecting the value. So that pairing, from an engineer, that's a real clear telltale sign that those two would be paired together, because then you can actually train. You can train. You can change the data according to what you want to read, want to see next. And then another telltale sign is this huge number of these hidden units, or these granule cells, which means that this would give it a very large capacity, and independent of the size, the input vectors and output vectors that come from outside the cerebellum. And another one is the parallel operation. So these all are sort of very confirming the mapping that I have described. There is also a major disagreement, and that is that in the cerebellum itself, if you look at it, we'll still a little bit later see a picture. Each of the granule cells has only 3 to 7